Assalamu alaikum student. Well, my name is Muhammad Ali, lecturer of mathematics, Army Public Degree College, Malik Kent. Student, today we discuss the matrix operation. Matrix operation number one is commutative law. What is commutative law? A plus B equals to B plus A. Similarly, associative law. What is associative law? A plus bracket B plus C, and then so is the brackets A plus B plus C equals to A plus B plus C. Then student, how to add two matrices? Firstly, you have the matrix of the same order. Same order mean number of rows and columns are equal in both matrix A and B. So how we add? Add first entry into first entry. 7 plus 1 equals to 8. Then 3 plus 5 equals to 8. Then similarly minus 1 plus 6 equals to positive 5. Then similarly 2 in plus minus 4 equals to minus 2. Similarly minus 5 into minus 2 minus 7. Similarly 6 into plus 3 equals to 9. This is how to add the two matrices. Now student, in matrix operation, what is a multiplication of a matrix? What is multiplication of matrix? The product of two matrices is another matrix. The product of two matrices is another matrices. Two matrices A and B must be conformable for multiplication to be possible. That is, the number of a column A must equal to the number of a column rows B. So in simply we can say that for matrix multiplication, it is only possible when the inside of the orders of a matrix are same. So now question is, what is inside? For example, matrix A has an order 1 by 3, matrix B has an order 3 by 1. Similarly, the resultant has order 3 by 3. How? Student, you can see that the second entry of matrix A is 3 and the first entry of the matrix B is 3. Students, mean the inside thing is same, then the matrix multiplication is possible. If this is the inside thing is same, then the matrix multiplication is possible. And the remaining entries 1 and 1, it is the order of the resultant matrix. It is the order of the resultant matrix. If this is the same, then the multiplication is possible, and the remaining entry 1 comma 1, it is the order of the resultant matrix. Student, now we discuss some example of matrix multiplication. Here is some example. Number one is B multiply A equals to not possible. How? What is the reason? The matrix B has an order 2 by 1 and the matrix A has an order 4 by 2. So student, I told you inside thing of same of the both matrices, then the multiplication is possible. So student, here is 1 and here is 4. So these number are not same, so matrix multiplication is not possible. Similarly, you can see another example. The matrix A order has a 6 by 2, matrix B has a order 6 by 3. The inside of this the inside of the both order is 2 or 6. It means they are not equal, so matrix multiplication not possible. That's the reason. Similarly, another example is matrix A has a 2 by 3 and a matrix B has a order 3 by 2. The inside of the both matrices 3 and 3. This means inside is same. The matrix multiplication is possible, and the resultant matrix is of order 2 by 2. Now student, matrix multiplication, how to multiply two matrices. Firstly student, you can see that the order of both matrices, and you can see that inside is same or not. Otherwise inside is same, then multiplication is possible, and if the inside is not same, then the multiplication is not possible. So student, you can see that the matrix A, which is given that the order of this matrix is 2 by 3 and the order of this matrix is 3 by 2. So 2 by 3 and 3 by 2 inside is same. The multiplication is possible. And what are the remaining entries of matrix A is 2, and what are the remaining entry of matrix B is 2, and the resultant of matrix is of order 2 by 2. So here is the resultant matrix is of order 2 by 2. Student, now we can see that how to multiply. Student, for multiplication you multiply first row with the first column, then similarly first row with the second column. Similarly, you can multiply second row with first column and then multiply second row with second column. Now student, firstly multiply first row with first column. Now 1 multiplied by 4 is 1 multiplied by 4 plus 2 multiplied by 6, then you can write here, then 3 multiplied by 5, then similarly first row with second column, then 1 multiplied by 8, then you can write it here, then similarly 2 multiplied by 2, you can write it here, then similarly 3 multiplied by 3, then similarly 3 multiplied by 3. Now next row is, now multiply second row with first column and second column. So 4 multiplied by 4 plus 2 multiplied by 6, then similarly 7 multiplied by 5. Now second row multiplied by second column. So 4 multiplied by 8 plus 2 multiplied by 2, then 7 multiplied by 3, then 7 multiplied by 3. Now student, you can add these matrices. 4 and 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 4 16, and 3 5s are 15, yani 16 plus 15 equals to 31. Similarly 8 1s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 8 or 4 12, and 3 3s are 9, so 12 plus 9 21, 21. Similarly 4 4s are 16, 16 and 6 2s are 12, so 16 and 12 अब कितने स्टूडेंट कितने हो गए, 16 और 12 28, then 35 equals to 63. Similarly 4 8s are 32, 32 plus 4 32 plus 4 42, 42 plus 3 7 are 21, so 48 plus 21 57. Now remember also student, if we multiply identity matrix with A equals to A, so identity matrix of 2 by 2 is 1 0 0 1. So if we multiply with a matrix A, then the resultant is always same. How you can see that 1 into 31 31, okay, 0 into 63 0, so you can not add anything into 31. So similarly first row with second column, then 1 multiplied by 21 21, then similarly 0 into 57 0, so you cannot write anything here. Similarly 0 multiplied by 31 0, 1 multiplied by 63 is 63. Similarly you can multiply now second row with second column, so 0 multiplied by 21 is 0, and 1 multiplied by 57 equals to 57. Now student, next is transpose of a matrix. What is transpose of a matrix? For example, matrix A is given by this. Similarly, simply in transpose of a matrix, you can change only row with column, or column with row. So here we change the column with rows. So first column is 1 0 0, so we can shift this column into row. So here we can write 1 0 0. Similarly next is 8 1 0, then write in a row form 8 1 0. Then similarly 9 6 3, then it is in column form, then we write in row form. So transpose mean you can change the matrix, either it is row wise or column wise, it's up to you. Now student, what properties of a transpose of a matrix? Property number 1 is A plus B whole transpose equals to A transpose plus B transpose. But A dot B whole transpose mean first B transpose then A transpose. Similarly, if constant and a matrix, the whole transpose equals to constant remain same, does not affect, but A transpose. And similarly last property is A transpose into whole transpose, then it equals to A. It means you can take twice a time transpose of the same matrix, then it is equals to the original matrix. Now student, to compute the inverse of a matrix, the determinant is required. Each square matrix A has a unit scalar value called the determinant of A and denoted by determinant A or absolute of A, or you can write it as matrix A is given by this and the determinant of A you can write in the form of this. Thank you student. Further inshallah we discuss on tomorrow lecture.